Hi, I'm Grayson. If kids pay attention and focus during nature walks, they look up, down, all around, you can find some pretty cool stuff. Or if you hear owls at night, you go back in the morning and look down. There's a pretty good chance there could be some owl pellets, like this one here. After owls eat their prey, when they pass everything else, the meat, all the nutrition, all the bones, the hair, teeth, claws, they all get put in this owl pellet, which they cough up at night. And it's really cool to dissect. You can put all the bones and claws and teeth together. And it makes a pretty cool skeleton. So come along as we dissect an owl pellet.
Grant's been pulling apart this owl pellet, and as you can see, there's lots of tiny little bones. A lot of times you can find the whole skull in there, but this, as you can see, here's some bones right in there. This was a very furry animal that he's working with right now. So he'll be digging those out and showing you what he's found.
These are some of the bones Grant's pulled out of the owl pellet. We've determined this is a rodent. So far we found a jaw, a forelimb, hind limb, pelvic bone, and possibly a rib bone. So digging around owl pellets is one of our favorite activities to do around our house. It should be fun for you guys. So we have a link on our website to get this bone chart. This is an owl pellet dissection activity. It's a great activity to do in your own backyard.